Good morning, students. Welcome in BA Part 2nd, Paper 1st. Today we are reading our next poem, that is Going, written by Philip Larkin. Going is a very short poem, and Philip Larkin, who also considered as a different type of poet who generally considers about the feeling of death, about the theme of death and pessimism. There is also the details related to death in poem. As poet presented Going, symbolic title, in which he speaks about the evening that is considered as the last evening. If we compare our life in one day, then we are considered that in the morning time, that is our birth time, and complete noon time, जो पूरे दिन की भागदौड़ रहती है, this is considered as the noon of life. It is considered about the materialism. It is considered about the दौड़ धूप of life. इंसान पूरी जिंदगी जितनी भी दौड़ धूप करता है, if we want to consider it that it is complete noon time till evening, when the evening is coming to start, that means it may consider that our body is going to finish. It may consider that our physical power is going to down, and evening के बाद जो night आती है till midnight, we can consider that is the symbol of death. तो पूरे के पूरे एक दिन को अगर लाइफ से कंपेयर किया जाए, then we are considering it about one day life. Our one day life, that is in the morning time, in the starting time we are coming on the earth, and in the midnight time, at point of midnight, it may consider that it is our death time. So Philip Larkin in this poem is also speaking about the evening, although evening is the season, but at the time poet is something negative, and he says that it is the last evening, means this is the time of departure from earth, and poet says that the first time I am looking this different evening. Although evening is a very beautiful time, we can consider it a very supreme, beautiful, most supreme time in the day, but at this time, according to poet, it is the last evening, and where poet is just facing death directly. It is an imagination, and in this imagination poet presents death and himself, that he is just looking death directly. So it is an interview of death with poet. Poet is meeting face to face with the death. It is only an imagination. ये एक पोइट की कल्पना है कि शायद ये उसकी ज़िंदगी की जब अंतिम शाम है, अंतिम उसका ज़िंदगी का बुढ़ापा है, एंड ही विल एक्सपायर. और बहुत ही इमोशनली और एक नेगेटिव सेंस से, बहुत पेसिमिज्म, यू कैन से इट इज़ अ वेरी पेसिमिस्टिक पोइम, where the life is presented and compared with the evening time, and evening is here using for the symbol path of death, मौत की ओर जाना. तो the poem is you can say a very fine example in which poet tries to show a interview with death, and he presents a different type of evening that may consider the last evening. As the evening is coming, now come with me at the first line of poem. There is an evening coming in across the field. There is the evening coming in, evening आ रही है. तो सेंस जो है, that is, this is the approach of death, is described by him in a very similar term, in a very, you can say, philosophical touch. The approach is like the approach of an evening with no lamps to be lighted. लिखा है, one never seen before. ऐसी इवनिंग पहले कभी भी नहीं आई थी. That lights no lamps. जिस दिन न कोई लाइट जली न कोई लैंप जला. तो this is the different type of evening. This is the, you can say, not the evening, but we are looking at evening, but it is a death that is coming from far. सिल्कन इट सीम्स एट ए डिस्टेंस. पोइट कह रहा है डिस्टेंस से तो बहुत सिल्क जैसी चमकती हुई, very beautiful, very shineful evening is coming from distance, but it is not a, you can say, originally silken. It is very beautiful, that is looking from distance. When it comes near, and then in the body of poet there starts a vibration, and this is the vibration that इसने लिखा है, it brings no comfort. इसने तो आज कोई आराम नहीं दिया. The evening, that is a comfortable time and he should be get comfort, but at this evening he is never find any type of comfort. Yet when it drawn up over the knees and breast, using for the process of death, where has the tree gone that loved earth to sky? अब पूरा का पूरा complete universe, according to poet, he is going, and there was nothing to be looked from earth to sky, is using from top to bottom, everything, all universe, there was nothing to be looked now, everything is going to finish now. केवल एग्जाम्पल दिया, वेयर हैज द ट्री गॉन, पेड़ कहाँ गए, मतलब वृक्ष कहाँ गए, पेड़ पौधे कहाँ गए, नथिंग टू बी लुक, कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. वॉट इज अंडर माई हैंड्स दैट आई कैन नॉट फील, कुछ भी उसको महसूस नहीं कर रहा है कि उसके हाथों के नीचे क्या है. देर मे बी समथिंग हु इज स्नैचिंग हिम, देर मे बी समथिंग what loads my hands, and poet says that I never think what is happening. So this is an evening that is coming across the field, and it is an evening which the poet has never seen before. At the first time there was the evening, there is darkness and darkness and darkness, though this is not a proper, and the evening that daily comes, and poet just ask where the trees has gone, which seems to bring earth and the sky together in the close union. And so we can say that it is the interview of death, or briefly, shortly, poet presents his philosophy about life. We can also consider this is the nearness of death. Poet has a feeling that death is approaching him. This is an important matter. Poet feels it that death is coming near him. The evening is not coming here. Evening plays the role of death, or evening compares with death now. The approach is like the approach of an evening when there is not anything, there is not any lighting. Again, and many times poet fears with death now. Poet feels what happened at the time when there is the death coming. When there is death coming, then it is looking that someone loading upon him. अब पता नहीं what loads my hand down. लास्ट में उसने लिखा है, उसको नहीं पता what loads my head down, उसको नीचे की ओर कौन खींच कर ले जा रहा है. तो we can say that this is Larkin pessimism. It is Larkin's pessimism, and it may be happen as a poet of death. We can consider Philip Larkin. So as per the title of poet, the feelings in poem, everything is matched. Larkin has been regarded as the most pessimist poet, we know it, and the poetry of Larkin is also a poetry of pessimism and death. That is also proving here. And so we can say that Philip Larkin is considered as the poet of death and poet of pessimism. Very important poem in which again and again poet start to describe what will be happen at the time when anyone start to depart from the earth. And if we want to conclude the poem, then we can say that in the last line, as poet says, that is very philosophical line. That is very philosophical line in which a poet presents the day when he expired. Means imaginatively what will be happen with the time when death just come near to us. Finally he asks what it is, what waits upon his hands and pushes them downward. शायद उसको नीचे की ओर कोई खींच रहा है. As a last process in Christian religion, we are considering that after death the dead body pushed down into the ground.